Hi, my name is Ariana Wright. I'm a limited permanent mental health counselor here at EYMT. To me, empowerment means becoming the best version of yourself and just living your life to the fullest extent and knowing that you are absolutely in control of your life and in control of your happiness. The thing that made me become a therapist was actually from undergrad when I was studying to become a teacher. And I realized that although teaching fun and all, I actually had more fulfillment when I was speaking with my students and just hearing about their lives and hearing about their daily struggles as I was teaching in a more low income area. And so speaking to the students and being able to, be that safe person that they could speak to and know that they could trust me was a great feeling. And I knew that that is actually what I wanted to do for more people. And I wanted to expand my horizon beyond the scope of what a teacher can do. With me, sessions are more like a companionship. You are the master of your life. You know everything. I am more like a co-pilot. You are actually the expert. I can bring the skills, but ultimately, without your knowledge and without your information and without your vulnerability, sessions would be nothing. And so I am there as a co-pilot. I'm there to guide you. I am there to help push you beyond a boundary that maybe you're comfortable with so that you can reach this better version of yourself. And I want to be there for you as your supporter, as your motivator to try these new things and reach these goals that I know that you can reach.